Hello my dear students, once again welcome back for the continuation of exercise 4.1 in mathematics. Today we'll do question number 13 and 14. For this you can refer to page number 63 in your textbook. Here question number 13, write the first 5 equivalent fractions of the following. When we are finding the equivalent fraction, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by the same number. Here in this case, we have to find out the first 5 equivalent fraction of the following. So, first we'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Then again 3. Then 4, then 5, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction by this number, you will get the first 5 equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Now, here A, you can see here A. Given fraction is 2 by 3. As I already explained you, the number on the top of the fraction is known as numerator and the number on the lower of the fraction is known as denominator. First 2 by 3 is multiplied by 2. Here numerator 2, denominator 3. Both this 2 and 3 is multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now, after that, again this 2 by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Again, we'll write 2 by 3. Then after 3, what comes? 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Then, again, we'll write this fraction 2 by 3. What comes after 4? 5. So this 2 by 3 is multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Again we'll write 2 by 3. Now what comes after 5? 6. So 2 by 3 is multiplied by 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Here therefore 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 18 by 12, 10 by 15 and 12 by 18 are the first 5 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. Now next here question number C. Here 3 by 7. We'll write 3 by 7. First number 2. We'll multiply by 2. Both this numerator and denominator multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7 are 40. Again we will write this 3 by 7. 3 numerator is multiplied by 3, denominator is multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. Again we will write 3 by 7. Now what comes after 3? 4. So 3 by 7 is multiplied by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Here 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. Again we write 3 by 7. What comes after 4? 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Now 7 into 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. Now again we will write 3 by 7. Now what comes after 5? 6. Now 3 by 7. 3 into 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Now 7 into 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. As you can see here, 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 28, 15 by 35, 18 by 42. These are the first equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. Therefore, 6 by 14, 9 by 21, 12 by 18, 15 by 35, and 18 by 42 are the first 5 equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. Now next here you have to do yourself B and D. I have done here A and C. You have to do yourself B and D. Now question number 14. Write a fraction equivalent to 2 by 3, A 2 by 3 with denominator 12. As I already explained you, the number which is lower on the fraction is known as denominator. The number on the top of the fraction is known as numerator. Here 2 by 3 with denominator 12. Now you can see here, divide this 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. That means this, how many times this 12 is divided by 3? 4 times. 3 fours are 12. So here 3 is multiplied by 4. 4 threes are 12. So this 2 is should also multiply by 4. 4 twos are 8. Therefore, 8 by 12 is the required equivalent fraction. Therefore, 8 by 12 is the required equivalent fraction. Now, here next here 2 by 5 with numerator 16. So, numerator, the number which is on the top of the fraction is known as the numerator. So we'll see how many times this 16 is divided by 2. We'll see here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Here 16 is 16 is divided by 2. How many times 16 is divided by 2? 8. So here 2 8s are 16. So here 2 is multiplied by 8. So your denominator should also multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. Therefore, 16 over 40 is the required equivalent fraction. Here I have got A and D. You have to do yourself B and C. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.